Okay, hello everyone. It's Macro Trader here again today. I'm here again today to brought you up an update, a hottest update in town on a desperate app that can use to spy from one phone to another phone. And please, guys, I don't want you to misuse the app or getting it somehow from your hands. I just want this to be as for education purpose, and please I'm begging, please. And second thing I will ask you to do is please don't forget to share or subscribe to this channel in order to help uplifting the channel. So anytime I posted an update like this, so once you have subscribed, you'll be the first person getting the update. So without further ado, so let's quickly dive in and let me explain how things works out for you now. So having your phone with you handy like this, when I head to Chrome or any of the browser you use on your phone, then come to the search bar like this and type mobile-tracker.free.com. I think you can see it pop ups already because I've been using it. So that will shows I hit bring any update to you without testing it, without confirming it works perfectly. So now I'm gonna click on it and let's see what the website looks like. Now I'm already logged in because I've been using the app before and I've been using the platform before. So if you haven't logged, if you are a newbie to the platform, just want to create your account, then what you need to do, you just let me log out and give you the and give you the thing from the roots. Okay, so now I've logged out from the platform. So if you're a newbie, you just need to click on this register and registered, follow the prompts and register once and for all. Once you registered, then you can be automatically logged in, or you come to the first page like this and click on login. Once you click on login, then it will take you to this page and you want to put your registered email and password. I have my own saved on Google here, so I'm gonna click on it and see it's connected. So I'm on the front page like this. Once you have your front page like this, then you want to come to download application here. So you can see me click on the download application, and you're gonna check all these box and all these checked box out. Once you check it out, let it be marked, then you're gonna do the captcha here. The captcha I'm seeing here is 93207. So once you are done with that, then you click on download mobile tracker. Oh, sorry, the captcha refresh again. So let me retype in again 33829. So once you are done with that, then you want to click on this mobile tracker for downloading so that it can download. So I've clicked on it. So here you can see the guidelines, the manual setup of the application. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading. So let me come here and check my downloading. So right here you can see it is still downloading. So right here, I think you can see it's still downloading. Let's just wait a moment so it's finished downloading. Once it is done, then we progress progress on the next step. So I think the download has finished. So we're gonna click on it now, then click on install. Sometimes here you're gonna get stuck, then I will tell you how to fish things out. So here, commodities, here if you get stuck here, you see harmful app blocked, download mobile tracker free. So don't worry. So here you can see it's app not installed done. So once things are like this, just leave this page and head to your app store or Play Store, any of the one you have on your phone. If you are using iPhone, you head to your app store. If you are using Android phone, you head to your Play Store. Then I have my Play Store here. I'm gonna hit patch on searching. Then I'm gonna click on my profile here. Once I click on profile here, you come down here, then click on play protect. Here you can see the play protect. So here you can see app permission removed. Okay, no problem. So next thing to do now is to just click on settings, the settings icon up here. You click on settings icon here, you see improve harmful app detection. You can see here, we want to turn this off. Then scan app with protection, we want to turn this to options off. Once you turn it off, then you want to head to downloading. And after you are done installing the app, so you can turn on this option back. After I get it downloaded and I have it installed here, so here is how it looks like. Then now we have to do some settings here now, so let's just go through it. This application allows you to download and install official mobile tracker free app. Once mobile tracker free downloaded and installed, you can delete this application. So I think you are getting it right now. We only have this just to have the mobile tracker, like a roadmap to have the software on our phone. So we can delete this application. So we can later on install this on our phone after we get the main Wi-Fi mobile tracker application. So now play protect, disable Google Play protect, otherwise the application will uninstall. So now I think we have three options here to set up, as you can see. So in these options we have to turn everyone we have to turn it on. So let's go into it now. After turning it on, then we proceed here, download mobile tracker free. So turn on, good, turn on. So allow from this source, you have to turn it on. Then go back, then let's go to download, then click on download mobile. So let's just wait a moment and see how it looks like. The downloading is still in progress. Let's keep waiting. Still in progress. Okay, so on this step, to make sure you validate all these options, just make sure you turn everything on from A to Z. Turn it on. Then after you've turned it on, then next go. Okay, download mobile tracker free. Do you want to uninstall this app? So I told you earlier that the mobile tracker, the first app we downloaded and installed was just like a roadmap to the Wi-Fi spine app. So after you downloaded the Wi-Fi and get it installed, you were asked to uninstall the mobile tracker app that is just for road map. So just gonna click on OK, and you get it uninstalled, then click on next again. So make sure you validate everything here. So once you validated it, then next, then let me use this. I have more than one account, that's why. So now we have these days filled up, then let's log in. So I've already logged in now. Enable accessibility, as you can see. So I think just because we are still here to enable this thing, so the message keep popping up. So you can try and go again. So as you can see now, this is the option here, but I'm still unable to get it done. So let me just go back. So then all this again, make sure you turn it on. So I don't want the video to be too lengthy, so that's why I need to do things sharply. So once you turn everything on, turn it on, still referring to this. So just make sure you turn all these things, turn it on. Then after you've turned it on, then save. Once you save, just please wait, and then you'll be given a link like this. Okay. Okay, let's. Okay, we have a pop-up message up here. Update security now. Update in progress. Let's see how the progress goes. So by now, let's check on our phone if the app is visible there, because sometimes you find it visible on your phone, so you can see the app is here, is right here. You can see the app Wi-Fi. So that is it. So let's wait for the updates up here, and let's see what it goes. So once the update is done, then you can launch the app and do whatever you want to do, and all these settings must be done on the other phone too. Then once you get it done, then you can spy anything the person is doing, anything you will be spying it. So the app is so amazing. It's so amazing. It's about, as it's amazing, in the other hand, in the other side is so desperate too. So you have to be very careful and don't let it to just damage things for you. Okay, so when you are done with all installations, then you have your page like this. You can turn on anything you want to turn on. You can turn off anything you want to turn off. So you have the settings like this, as you can see. So any settings you wanna set, so just go through it. Anything you want it, or anything you want to on, you can on it. You can easily on it here in this page. So you go through everything. Then once you are done with the settings here too, just come down here. You will see the model of your phone here. You can see right here where my cursor is. Then so you gotta click on the drop down button. Once you click on the drop down button, then you have your so you can see here you can monitor only one phone, so you can only hide one phone. So you can hide the phone you want to spy on. So you can just click on hide phone and follow the prompt, then you are good to go from there. Then you can spy on the phone. Okay, so once everything has been done, so you go over to your browser again. You head over to your browser again and have your account logged in. Then just scroll down. You have all informations here. You can see it be your battery level, online status, and location you have. So you just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So the main thing that blows my mind is when you come to this live viewing. So this live viewing is where I'm talking about. So any of the phones that you want to spy on, you want to click on this live viewing and you start seeing what is going on the other phones. So that is how it goes. Okay, so that is the live unit. So if you want to even have control on that other phone screen, maybe you want to turn something on, you want to turn something off on the other phone. The phone is not with you, get me right, the phone is not with you, right? But you want to have control on the phone, so remote control, this is where you come to. So just have it like that. This is how the platform looks like when you are done with all the settings. So uh keep it safe and peace. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. With that being said, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to uplift the channel. So anytime I come up with an update like this, you'll be the first person getting the updates at your end. So that is all for the this amazing spine tutorial. So keep it safe, don't abuse the app, keep it safe, work on it perfectly, and you get things done easily. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Peace.